The Honorable Governor of Meghalaya to kindly address the House.
स्पीकर महोदय और मेघालय विधानसभा के माननीय सदस्यगण, 11वीं मेघालय विधानसभा के सभी नवनिर्वाचित सदस्यों को मेरी हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामना। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप हमारे खूबसूरत राज्य के लोगों की सेवा में खुद को समर्पित करेंगे।
May I ask the Honorable Member to sit down, please, not to interrupt the Governor's address.
Speak and voice the sentiment of the people, sir. So I think it will be better if you allow me to submit a few submissions. Sir, if we go according to the Rule 28 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in this August House, it speaks about the language of the Assembly. And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the Assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the Governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. Sir, the government of India did not pay any heed to the demand of the state for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, thereby depriving us in various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the governor continue to address us in Hindi, sir.
I will allow this House to, the Governor will be addressing in Hindi, so I think we should let it.
Strong exception to this, and we strongly condemn. We strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
Mr.
As
Speaker,
a party,
sir.
we truly represent the voice of the people, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is very, I think, on this issue,
I request the honourable member.
Just let me complete. On this issue, I feel there should be no opposition, no ruling. We should stand united as one.
Standing, all the members are requested.
We are here because of the toil and sweat of the people and the leaders of the state.
When the chair is
We
on his
just not
feet,
get the state
when the
simple
chair
as
is
that,
on his
sir.
feet, all the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on his feet, nobody else stands.
आप सभी सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूं। राज्य के सभी क्षेत्रों में सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के संवैधानिक मैंडेट के अनुसार सरकार बेहतर शासन के माध्यम से राज्य की बहुमुखी प्रगत लोगों के जीवन स्तर में
Government of India to impose on us the language.
कर रही है।
We will not allow this. Down, down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior
It
that
is
is expected
shame.
of an elected member.
Oh,
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior
will not
expected
allow.
of the elected member.
Either you
The
throw us
honourable
out,
speaker, the honourable
either you
governor
throw
is
us
addressing
out
the
or you
house.
stop the governor.
The honourable
No, we are
governor
not
is addressing the
misbehaving.
house.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of
This
behavior
is
that is
against
expected
sentiment of the people.
of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept to be imposed. Language to be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking in Hindi.
Rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honourable members...
No. This is a
Honourable
design
members
from the
can-
government of India to start
there are
imposing on the
restrictions.
states.
If an individual
We know-
is not
we know
able
what
to
is the
read
design.
English, then we cannot
No,
impose
sir.
it on the individual.
We will not allow
The
this.
written speech has been circulated in the House.
Yes,
And
but
therefore,
it
since the
should be
written speech
transacted
is
in English.
circulated in the House,
The rule is clear. The
so
rule is
therefore,
clear.
yes, and the rule also says
Rule
that
is
the written
clear.
speech should be given. Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that this kind of behavior should not be admitted. This is not the way the honourable governor
government
is
will have to
addressing the
think
House.
from now on.
This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated
have to do
everybody,
anything.
and there is no reason why this
Self-respect
issue
of the
should be
state
made.
and its people is
If an
more
individual
important, we
has
cannot
got
compromise.
certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow, because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the Honorable Governor
No,
is
we should
speaking,
allow this to become a
speaking
tradition.
only because he wants
Addressing
to
the
speak.
Meghalaya Legislative
He is
Assembly by
able to
Hindi.
read Hindi, he is not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make
have
this
to
an issue.
understand that Meghalaya
He is
is
not
not a
doing it
Hindi-speaking
because he
state.
wants to do it. He is doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading,
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in
state.
English, but in Hindi. And therefore, the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence, as a respect, this is very, very sad to see that a disrespect like
It may
this
be
is being
sad, but
done
the people is
to
happy
the member, to
when
the
they see
Honorable
us
Governor of the
raising
House.
the sentiment
Therefore-
of the people before the House.
Therefore, it's very sad, and I request the members
We
not
respect
to,
the people
not
who
to-
elected us.
not to bring out an
We
issue
know
like
this
this.
is against the
This is
sentiment
not
of
the
the
way.
people of the state. The people of the state have not given us the mandate
please sit down,
to
please?
speak in Hindi in
Would you
this
please
House.
sit down? I will allow our Honorable Governor to speak in Hindi, and the translated version, English version, is circulated to all the members. And I request the members to kindly bear with the House and also show decorum of the House, not to shout while the Honorable Governor is making his Governor's address. So I would request once again to all the members to please bear with the House and kindly listen to the Governor's address. Otherwise, I will.
Sending Hindi-speaking governors to us. We don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
This is an insulting for the state.
वॉकआउट कर गए।
कोई बात नहीं।
राज्य सरकार स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में फर्मी डिलीवरी को बढ़ाने पर विशेष फोकस करते हुए सड़कों, पुलों और बिजली और पेयजल आपूर्ति जैसी बुनियादी